Hi, I wanted to hear your piece, so I'm reading it so that I can hear it out loud and you could hear it out loud. But I really want to hear it in your voice, but I'm going to read it in my voice so you can hear it. Fiction in regard to nonfiction. So we're here with my bag, me and my list, with the little of that and the little of this. I know it's all here, 'cause it says smart and final, but that ain't true, as I've known for a while. I ain't that smart, and there's nothing's final. I reach top shelf for a cheap Bordeaux. Vision slides under, close, brushing it just so. Maybe intended, but what do I know? She says, "'Scuse me," finds my eyes and I hers. I'm kindling, don't realize. She wants a party, says, "Your place is fine." She's checking all over my body and wine. None of that's true, just saying, truth bends. Only soloing here with my odds and ends. Little mustard and some garlic, rosemary, soy. It's simple, no chart, no cart, no clutter, no noise. Get an express line, not true by the way. Ain't no express, just what they say. Restless guy, junked up, falls in behind. Pissin' 'bout party girl, now head of the line. He's counting her items, says, "Fucking 14. I tell him relax, don't make it a scene. But I don't mean it, it ain't true, 'cause I'm really thinking, hey, fuck you. He doesn't get it though and asks about my stuff. What you making? Which for me is too much. So I look around and tell him I'm coating a corpse. Better than lime, I say, with pepper of course. Mix mustard, garlic, rosemary, and soy. Slap it on, smear it on, that nasty old corpse. Don't dress, don't wrap the poor sucker up. Just toss it in a hole and fill that mess up. Dogs won't sniff it out. Not coyotes, no way. Not even gophers'll touch it. Touch that shit, I say. None of which is true, I know by the way. But it works. Restless goes quiet. Makes no difference he did or didn't buy it. 'Cause I believe, and maybe you do now too, that it's just true enough to maybe be true. Awesome.